Store pages are a browsable collection of products. It usually includes key details such as the title, price, and if it's sold out. Clicking on a specific product opens the product details page, giving you a description of the product and an option to purchase. To add a store page, go to the home menu and click Pages. Click the plus icon, click Store, then select a store layout. After giving your store page a title, you can start adding products. If you're selling a physical product, let's delete and replace the example product image and upload your own image. Use the name, image, and description fields to add information for your product. Select pricing and variance to define attributes for your product, such as price and how much is in stock. Back to the Item tab, click Tags or Categories to organize your products. After adding categories to products, they create automatic navigation on your products pages. Repeat this whole process until you've added all items to your store. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.